Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of download on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve download on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window of CapCut and you can click. Then this page of app info you will enter to force stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.